Vacuum method ng plant propagation. What is it? At effective ba? Please watch till the end for more plant hacks and care tips. This was propagated 19 days ago. Like any other plantitas, hindi makapaghintay ng 3 weeks. Pasensya, excited lang. Anyway, ang vacuum method, ito yung tinatawag na evap ng mga live sellers sa Thailand. After cutting, ilalagay sa loob ng plastic. So para siyang mini greenhouse. Nalilimit yung air exposure which in turn, nalilimit din ang paglakas at pagdami ng fungus at bacteria, giving the propagation a much higher chance to succeed. Ito na moment of truth. Ayan na sila. Hindi talaga may iiwasan may maglagas na dahon, but as you can see, very much alive at nagmamaganda pa ang dalawang to. So yes, effective ang vacuum method. Aside from that, ang plant hack that's super effective, cinnamon powder sa cuttings at sa media. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Kaya ayan, combined with vacuum method, success ang propagation. So, if palagi kang bigo sa pagpropa, try mo rin this plant hack. You can get your cinnamon powder sa link sa baba or sa comment section. Happy planting!